Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Command Prompt series. I am Tabuki from InfoPulseJa. In this episode, we introduce command prompt and explore the basic navigation. You will learn how to work with CMD, understand its layout, and discover key commands to manage files and directories efficiently. This is the perfect starting point for building your skills with this powerful Windows tool. Stay tuned as we cover essential tips and tricks to get you comfortable with the command line interface CMD. If you have a specific topic you would like us to cover, drop your suggestion in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. And remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the new episodes to come.